what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Samsadventures. On this channel we actually don't do a lot of adventures, but we do makeup, beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in watching these, then all you have to do is click the subscribe button underneath this video and my videos will appear in your subscription box. If you want to see more of my life, you can also follow me on Instagram. My username is SamsadventuresX. So in today's video I have a big beauty haul for you guys because I recently went makeup shopping. I just love makeup shopping. I love it way more than buying new clothes. I can get so excited over eyeshadow palettes, nice bronzers. So in this video I will be showing you guys the things that I picked up from BeautyBay, TK Maxx, Benefit, Urban Decay, things like that. Of course I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape or form. I work hard for my money. I decided to spend a little on some makeup since I ran out of quite a few products, and like the majority of these products I didn't own already, and I thought it would be nice to show you guys for some inspiration. So if you're as excited as I am for these makeup products, then please keep on watching. So the very first place I bought something from is BeautyBay. As you can see on the box, it just says, where is it? It just says BeautyBay, and I need to cover up my address so I can't show this side. But when you open it up, it's purple. Like, how cool is this? So the very first thing that's in here is this really cool package that says For the Beauty Obsessed, which that's totally me. At the back you can see what I ordered. So this is one of the BeautyBay's own palettes. This is the Identity 42 color palette. So back in fall, BeautyBay came out with some of their palettes and I think they're so stunning, so I had to order one. And these palettes are only £25 or 28 euros, so that's super cheap in my opinion for a 42 color palette. And I've heard so many great things about them that I just needed to try them out and add them to my collection. So when you take it out of the little package, this is what it looks like. It's just like holographic packaging, which I think looks so cute. So at the front it just says Identity 42 color palette, and then the back just has a little description of the palette and then the ingredients. And this palette is actually both cruelty free and vegan, so I think that's really good. So in this palette it's like bubble wrap, so the palette doesn't get broken when it gets shipped to you. And then when you take it out, this is what it looks like. The packaging is just all matte black. I think that looks really professional and classy. When we open this up, guys, are you ready? How gorgeous is this palette? Like, I'm kind of struggling to show you guys because it has a huge mirror, as you can see, but I'm not going to show you the mess behind my camera. But how pretty are these colors? And I was really happy that I got it. So this is from BeautyBay and £25. Next up in my little box from BeautyBay is a brush. Like, we didn't know what this was. It's a brush. But this is just a lip brush because I kind of lost my lip brush that I had. So I ordered this one. Again, it's from BeautyBay's own collection. So this is just rose gold with black, and I think it looks really cute. And this was only €2.50, so I'm definitely really excited to try this out and see how the quality actually is since it's so cheap. And then I got another brush, once again, same packaging. I already used this in my first impressions video, but this is just a liner brush. I didn't really own an angled liner brush. This was also only €2.50. Then I really wanted to pick up something from the MAXX Revolution collab because I still hadn't done that yet. Some of the products have parabens in them, which I rather not use, but I found that the lipstick didn't have it, so I picked up this one. This is the Revolution X Soft in the color Cake. This is a really pretty nude color. I have it on my lips right now. It might look a bit different due to the saturation and lighting of this video, but overall it's just like a really gorgeous brown nude with like a little pink undertone. It just really reminds me of the shade Faux from MAC. Only thing is that this is a little bit more shiny, and this was only €4.50, so it's way cheaper than the MAC lipstick, and I like them both equally. So this is definitely a good buy and I absolutely love this. It just looks like that. And I will link all the products in the description box so you can take a look at them as well, and I'm not sponsored by any of these brands. Then a while back, Urban Decay came out with the Naked Cherry palette, and when I first heard of it I wasn't really planning on buying it, but then a local makeup store had a discount going on where all palettes in the store were 40% off, so I knew I just had to go there and buy a palette because I love palettes, and 40% off on Urban Decay is a lot. So I was swatching these palettes and I was thinking, you know, should I go for a Naked 2 or a Naked 3, but I actually thought they were a bit plain. They didn't really catch my eye, and then I saw this one. So like I said, this is the Naked Cherry palette, and ever since I bought this I've been in love with it. I use it pretty much every single day. It's so gorgeous. So when you open it up, it just looks like you're regular Urban Decay palette. It comes with 12 shades and a brush, and all these shades are like pinky, mauvey tones, which I absolutely love. It's my favorite color ever to put on my eye. I like these colors more than like the really warm browns and reds. I also own the Naked Heat, but I don't really use it that much because it's kind of hard to combine, because I like to wear like pink lipstick and I don't feel like those colors go well with like a pink undertone in your lipstick, but these all do, and they're so pretty. So these retail for about 50 to 55 euros depending on your retailer, but I ended up being able to pick this up for 32 euros, around that price. So the next thing I got is a brow product, and this is from Benefit. This is the Benefit Brow Pomade, my favorite brow product ever. This is just like a pomade, like the Anastasia Dip Brows, but then again I don't like it if makeup has parabens in there, and the Dip Brow does, so I ended up going with this one, and I've been in love with it ever since. It's such a pretty brow product and I absolutely love it. This is the color 2. It really matches my hair, so if you have this color hair as well, then this might be a really good color for you. These are around 28 euros, so they're kind of like on the expensive side. I believe in America they're around $24, but these last quite a long time, and I just think it's such an amazing product that I do think it's worth spending like money on it. And then the last portion of this haul is all things I got from TK Maxx. So I've been a little obsessed with going to TK Maxx, I'm not gonna lie, because like my TK Maxx, I know like TJ Maxx in America, at least from what I see on videos, they have like all these cool makeup brands like Too Faced and like MAC and like other brands, but or TK Maxx doesn't really stock a lot of fancy brands. They do get something occasionally, but you really have to be lucky with what you find, and I recently found out when they stock their new items, so I went in when they stocked it and I found this baby. This is the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. I couldn't believe that I just found it because it looks so pretty. I hadn't really seen it before, like the white Too Faced bar. I knew like they had the brown chocolate bar, but I didn't really know they also had a white one. When I saw this, I didn't have to think about it. I just knew I had to pick this up because this retails for 57 euros and I ended up paying $14.99. Like $14.99 for a Too Faced palette. That just sounds way too good to be true, but it is true. Like TK Maxx made it come true. So this thing was like alarmed with stickers and everything. That made sure that people hadn't touched like the inside of the palette or swatched the colors, because that's always so gross at TK Maxx when they have like such amazing makeup and then people have like swatched it and put it on their face. It's just like gross when you then buy it and really disappointing, but this one hasn't been touched. So here it is out of the packaging. It's absolutely pretty. It comes with a little like flyer which just says Too Faced White Chocolate Bar, and then it just says like how to glamour guide, and it just gives you some options of looks you can do, and it's really cool. I'm probably not going to use it, but it's cool that they give it to you. And then this is just what the palette looks like. It feels really good quality and really sturdy, and it just looks so pretty, like the white and the pink. I just had to get this. And from the inside, this is my first ever Too Faced palette, so it's way more exciting. I love the shades. Colors are kind of like light, but I think I can make some nice looks with this as well. Maybe mix it with other palettes, and this just looks, it looks like Christmas, you guys. I'm so excited. And next I picked up some things from e.l.f. This is an e.l.f. lipstick. This is the e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick in the shade Ravishing Rose. I think this looks absolutely pretty, and this was originally, it's kind of faded from the sticker, but from what I'm reading, it was originally $5.99 and now it was $2.99. So again, I saved money. Always nice when you save money. So I've never really tried an e.l.f. lipstick before, so I thought I'd pick this up, and mainly because I thought the color looked so pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's just a really pretty like rosy red color, so I'm so excited to put this on my lips and see how this looks. I think it must be really pretty because these colors are like my absolute favorite. Then also from e.l.f. I picked up this pack of glitter. This is the e.l.f. Stardust Glitter in Gold Galaxy. It just says fine light catching glitter adds a touch of sparkle to any makeup look, ideal for the face, body or hair. I haven't used a glitter ever in my life before, so this is just what it looks like. It's just like a small container of glitter, and this was originally $5.50 and I got it for $2.99. Then also from e.l.f. I picked up this e.l.f. Illuminating Palette in the shade that they have. I don't think this really has different shades. So this is a powder palette of like a contour shade and a blush and like a banana powder. So I was pretty excited when I saw this, but then I got home and opened it and then I saw someone had touched it. This is what I mean with TK Maxx. You always have to make sure that no one has touched your makeup, because I just think it's gross that I see fingerprints in here that are not mine. So I might go back to the store and return it, or maybe clean it. I don't know yet. They are like a little bit shiny. I'm definitely excited to try this out. I just have to see if I go back and get a different one. But this was originally $8.50 and I got this for $4.99, so again saved $3.50. Okay guys, and this was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you did, then I would love it if you give it a thumbs up. It's really easy. All you have to do is click the little thumbs up underneath this video and that would make me really happy. Again, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I upload Wednesday and Saturday, and sometimes there's a bonus video as well. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!